morning everyone. My name is Raffi Repaldi. I am from University Serang Raya. I want how to create a machine cut sunflower seed. The goal is to make it easier for others to eat without difficulty sunflower seed. Okay, I will just introduce the material to make a sunflower cut machine. The first is plywood, and the first bottle can, and the first one machine wireless, and this is one machine Arduino, and this is one LCD IoT, and this is one dynamo, and this is Kenny, and this is one DC drip, and this is two fiber plastic, and this is cable jumper, and this is one answer, and this is glue gun, and this is cable connection the laptop and machine Arduino. Okay, we enter the step by step in making a sunflower seed machine. Pattern plywood, and the pola is the plain plywood. The second piece and the pattern is made, and then we attach the nail to the tool that is formatted by the crochet the plywood. The 30 is to punch a 10 bottle and cut plastic fiber according to the pattern and pin the can. Okay, this way the 40 of our can and plywood and DC drip material, and according to DC drip and according to the pattern. That's for alkane and the plywood. Okay, that's for fire and the plywood. The 50 pair of dynamo pen and the glue gun of the plywood. The 60 is connecting the sunflower cutting machine with the coding program on the laptop. Okay, waiting for system. After that we selection the file and we selection the open menu. Then we open the DHT11. Okay, document that we have created we open notepad to copy the coding program that is ready. After we faster it below, then we select 30. Okay, waiting, then upload. Okay, program is success. Coding the machine sunflower set ready. Okay, I already know for waiting. I let everybody know that now for me And unfortunately, I can show you are about this machine sunflower side because I have limit time this video, but next time I will get back more video. And please follow Instagram. And I want to say sorry I have a mistake. This video I want to say thank you and like and subscribe. Thank you. See you. Goodbye.